Samsung's digital assistant, Bixby, isn't really the most popular. The same could be said for the Bixby button, which is a button that opens Bixby. And until recently, it's the only thing it could do. But now, Samsung lets you remap it. And one of the things you can do is you can run a quick command. What a quick command does, it tells Bixby to do something. And today I'll show you how to take a screenshot with the Bixby button. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the settings. Scroll down until see advanced features. Click on that. Now you want to click on the Bixby key. From here you want to double press to open Bixby and turn on the use single press. What this will do is that when you double press the Bixby button, it will open Bixby, but if you press it once, it will do something like run a quick command. Now I don't have any quick commands, but I can click this link, go to quick commands, go into my commands. See, I don't have any, so we can create a new one, click add a command, and we can type one. So I wanted to take a screenshot. I can type this in, take a screenshot, and click done. And I can call this screenshot. And then I click save. So now I can go out and back to the settings, and here you can see the screenshot option appears, so I can click on that. And now, if we click the Bixby button, it will tell Bixby to take a screenshot, and it will do that. And that's how you remap the Bixby button to take a screenshot. See you in the next video.